First things first, I'm spraying in my Miadi leave-in treatment, making sure to fully coat the strands, not missing a single one. Next up is oil. I gently unravel one side of the braid to really get into the hair. If you are rocking mini braids like me, you know this part is crucial. You've got to get into those sections. So I always separate my braids into sections. It makes the process so much easier and you actually reach every strand. Pro tip: working in sections changes everything. I add a little more leave-in just to make sure the strands are really coated, especially the ends and lengths, because that's where the dryness hits hardest. Also make sure to oil the scalp and massage it in. Then I oil the length of the hair to seal in that moisture. And finally, I top it off with my hair butter, smoothing it down from roots to ends. After I'm done with one section, I clip it away and move on to the next. I just repeat the same process, that is leave-in, oil and butter, working my way across the head until every section is fully moisturized. Okay, real talk. Don't do what I did here. I sprayed leave-in treatment on my scalp. It made my scalp itch like crazy later. Leave-in is for your hair, not your scalp. Let my mistake save you some irritation. As I kept going, I realized something. The Miadi leave-in has silk proteins, which can be a little drying sometimes. So I added a few drops of glycerine. Glycerine is a humectant, meaning it pulls moisture from the air into your hair. And I'm done moisturizing. My hair feels so refreshed. To finish off, I put my mini braids back into double Dutch braids. This keeps my ends protected, and you all know, length retention is all about protecting your ends. They are the oldest, most fragile part of your hair. So keep them tucked, moisturized, and safe. If you enjoyed this routine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair care content. Your hair deserves the love, and so do you.